Then the 2026 Tesla Model 2 leaked. It was not what people expected. Instead of just a low price, it was known for a door, a butterfly door. The internet went wild. People wondered if it had 2 doors or 4. Would rain get inside the car? Or was Tesla hiding a bigger secret? This secret could change how all cars are made. We will show you why Tesla put a supercar door on its cheapest car. This design started a new way of building cars. Welcome to the Model 2 change. This is where fast work meets care for people. The future is not just for rich people anymore. It is for everyone. If you think technology should help people, subscribe and hit the bell. The next part of this story is starting now. People wondered if high-end tech like this door could really help in daily life. Was it just a trick to look cool? Tesla did not use fancy words to answer. They used design. The Model 2 was not made to be a cheap toy. It was built to make life easier and better for everyone. Its butterfly door is not for showing off. It is made with care. It is for people who have low garage ceilings. It is for older parents who find it hard to get in and out of cars. It is for anyone who wants the future without paying too much. The door opens at a 73-degree angle. This saves almost half the space you usually need to get out. It works well even in very low garages. It is made of light metal that makes the car stronger. It also helps the car move through the air better. This adds more miles to the battery. This is a rare case where smart engineering makes life simpler and safer. Tesla knew people would worry about safety. They used data to prove them wrong. They did over 1,000 crash tests. They made a special hinge that lets the doors open even if the car flips over. These doors open like wings to protect you. Even fixing the car is cheaper now. Each part of the door can be fixed one by one. This cuts repair costs by 80%. During heavy rain tests, the car stayed dry inside. This shows that a useful car can still feel special. Tesla's message is clear. Beauty is nothing without trust. They are building cars to understand the world, not just to impress it. This is the big turning point. The story moves from human design to a massive change in industry. The butterfly door shows how Tesla turns high costs into a win. Elon Musk calls this a revolution in building things. It is about a new way of thinking. This is where doing things fast becomes an art form. Every second saved helps change the future. Tesla did something other car companies only talk about. They took a hard detail and turned it into a way to save money. The numbers are amazing. Engineers dropped the cost of the door parts from first at $200 to $300 at Eddie. They also saved over 8 minutes of work on every car. When you build millions of cars, those minutes save a lot of money. This fast work does not come from taking shortcuts. It comes from changing how the whole factory works. Tesla builds different parts of the car at the same time. This stops delays and removes extra steps. Even the butterfly door helps here. It makes it easier to put the roof and body together. This means fewer welds and joints are needed. The results are huge. They can now build twice as many cars on the same line. Tesla's goal to make 2 million cars a year now seems very likely. Saving money on each car adds up to hundreds of millions of dollars. But the change does not stop with the assembly. To make it to 25,000 car make money, they changed the battery. They used cheaper materials that still work great. This saves about $2,000 on every vehicle. They also used recycled metals that are lighter and cheaper. The Model 2 costs 15% less to build than the Model 3, but it still makes a good profit. This is a big shift in history. For the first time, a car is both smart and caring. Tesla did not build the Model 2 to rule the market. They built it to give everyone a chance to own one. The impact is huge. Old car companies have been doing the same thing for 100 years. Now they face a company that builds cars like computer software. Tesla is fast and brave. The Model 2 proves that new ideas belong to everyone. When smart work meets care, the future happens for us all. The Model 2 shows that the future is coming, but there are still secrets about the batteries and the final price. We will find those out next. This change does not end with one car. It grows with everything Tesla builds next. If you think technology should care about people, join us. Subscribe and hit the bell. Do it because the future should be for everyone.